Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking a slab of pork belly on the Hellrazr Yama grill. So I've got this beautiful pork belly here from my local farm shop, and I'm just going to go really simple. I'm going to go salt and pepper on it, coarse black pepper, and then I'm going to cook it with a little bit of cherry smoke on the Yama grill to get this nice crispy crackling going. Very exciting, I love pork belly. So I'm going really simple with flavours on this. Salt and pepper. I'm just going to salt the meat side really, a bit on there. And a little bit of coarse black pepper. This has already been scored by the butcher, and that's going to help the crackling. So I'm just going to work into that rind there. We want to get this nice and crackling. And I'm not going to put pepper on this side yet. I'm going to save that for later because this side's going to be face down over direct heat to get that crackling going. And the pepper will burn if I put that on that side. So I'll save that for later. Okay, so I'm going to use some meter probe here to nail the temperatures of this. And I want it to be nice and juicy and not overcooked. So I'm going to pop that in the pork belly up to the line there, and I'm going to go into the meter app and then set this for pork belly and then start cook, and off it goes. So this is ready to go on the grill. Got this absolute beast of the grill here, Hellrazr Yama from Canada. I love this grill, it's amazing. It's such an easy grill to cook on. I've got the vents open here by the coals here, so that's going to get some nice air in there. And as you can see up here, these vents are open. That's going to draw the air through and cook this pork belly lovely. Okay, so I'm going to have a little peek at this, see how it's looking. I can smell it starting to smell amazing. Don't want it to overcook, but I need that fat to be nice and crispy, so that's getting there. Cherry smoke's working its magic. I love cherry on pork, it's just adding so much extra flavour to this. That's looking amazing. It's nice and crispy on top, so the meat has done its job nice, and the grill's done a great job.